Hello and welcome to Idea Popcorn Street. Bollywood is a place where trends become norms. Started by one, followed by all. And here's our special story on one such trend that became a norm.
Bollywood stars are often very selective and cautious about films they do, and one's loss becomes another's gain. With some stars doing multiple films in a year, there are the other stars that do not make even a single appearance on big screen. So let's have a look at the stars that will be missed in 2015. Perfectionist Aamir Khan had the biggest release of 2014, PK, but post PK, Aamir seems to be taking a break as he does not have any release this year. With Christmas not being taken by Aamir, this festive day is up for grabs for all. Bollywood hung Hrithik Roshan's calendar was jam-packed in 2014 with controversies and films. After giving another film to the 100 Crore Club, Bang Bang in 2014, HR does not have any releases this year. The actor is devoting the year for the shooting of Mohenjo-daro and the film is expected to release in mid-2016. Aishwarya Rai had her last release in 2010, Guzarish, post which the beauty queen has been missing from Bollywood. After a gap of 5 years, Ash was expected to make her comeback in 2015, but the wait doesn't seem to end. The actress is busy shooting for 2 films and will miss out from having a release this year. Unfortunately, both the films are scheduled for 2016 release. Dhak Dhak Queen had 2 releases, De Rishtiya and Gulab Gang in 2014. But in 2015, the actress does not have even a single release. Madhuri is being very cautious with the role she picks and is taking her own sweet time to choose one. Action Jackson Ajay Devgn will also be missing from the silver screen in 2015. Ajay Devgn is spending the entire year shooting for his ambitious project Shivai, in which he is planning to rope in Nicole Kidman. Ajay will not only act in the film but will also produce and direct the film. Well, with these stars missing from the big screen, Bollywood will surely have scope of new actors to make their space.
Tell us what you think about this feature by commenting below.